Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel the Paramount Plus subscription on an iPhone. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find the link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. To cancel the subscription, we won't actually do it through the app itself, but we're gonna do it through the Apple settings. So I'll first find the settings app on the iPhone. Okay, once I find it and I open it, it'll take me to this page. Once here, over here is where it says your Apple profile ID page, whatever. Basically, everything on your Apple account, you can access it through here. And it takes me here. Once you get here, do you see over here where it says subscription? Tap on that. This will show you all your subscriptions. As you can see, I have the Paramount subscription here. So if I tap on it, I can go ahead and cancel the free trial. Like over here it says cancel free trial. Because I started with the trial. For yours, it's gonna say cancel subscription. And you see it right here, okay? So tap on whatever, either cancel free trial or cancel subscription. So I'll tap on that. And then it's asking me, am I sure I want to confirm? If you end your trial now, you can still access it until July 30. So I'll go ahead and confirm. And there you go. That's how you can cancel the Paramount subscription on an iPhone. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Please also like the video because it helps me a lot when you guys do that. And subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.